the new Canvas Beauty Serum 2.0. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I'm not new to Canvas Beauty. I've been using it for over a year now. But this is a new formula to the highly popular Canvas Beauty Hair Blossom Serum. Hence the name 2.0. And you know I had to try it, and you know I had to do a video on it. So here we are. Now, unlike previous serum growth videos I've done, this time I really want to focus on new growth, which in my mind would be to see if this serum can stimulate new hair follicles. Now, I know you're thinking, well, how are you going to do that? And I'm going to get to that in a second. But before I do that, of course, I have to provide all of the deets on the new serum. The most distinct difference is, well, the color and the scent aren't the same as the original. This one has a light yellow color, and the original is more of a reddish orange color, and the scent isn't as harsh as the original. I know many people stated that it smelled more like earring backs, but I think this new formula smells much better. Soybean oil is the first ingredient now, along with some other newbies like rosemary oil and peppermint oil. It's definitely a completely unique formula for sure. Now, let's get back into discussing how I'm going to actually measure new growth. So let's start over. So I'm adding a microscope. That's right. I've never ever used a microscope before, and I definitely have never done a video with one. But I said this is going to be the only way that I'm actually going to be able to see if there will be any actual new growth. So I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to use it. It came with a disc. I'm like, what is this, 1995? I was so confused, but eventually I figured it out, and I was able to plug it up to my Mac. So let's get started. I decided that I would not be applying this all over my entire head. I chose to focus solely on the perimeter of my hair, or you could call the baby hair area, basically where my hair kind of thins out, as you can see. I was so excited, y'all. Y'all just absolutely have no idea, because I've never used a microscope before, and I've never seen my scalp like this close up, so it was exciting. Okay. Now, I say this as a disclaimer. I didn't know what I was doing. Again, hence it's my first time. So I feel like this first clip that you're watching, like I was moving around a little bit too fast, but you can kind of get a gist of the area that I'm going to only be applying the serum to and kind of what the scalp is looking like. Then in this next clip, I decided to slow down a bit so that I can get clearer shots of what my hair looks like. Might I add, my scalp is pretty darn clean, at least in some parts, because then there are other parts I was looking like, girl, my goodness. I do want to highlight that this is done in real time, so I'm sorry guys that it's just really slow, but I didn't want to speed it up. I really wanted to show you like what I was looking at when I was doing this in actual real time, so that you can clearly see what my scalp looks like now. I don't see much new growth. You know, it just looks like I look like my strands are strong and healthy, I think. I don't really know what a strand is supposed to look like because I've never seen them up close like this before. I decided to do this challenge or test. I don't know what I want to call this, but I decided to do it for 2 weeks. And I will be applying it every day. I'm going to try to remember to apply it every day because I'm bad at this type of stuff. Apply it every day. And then I'm just going to massage it in, as you guys see that I'm doing right now. And that's it. And then I'm going to come back in 2 weeks and see if this serum actually does anything. As y'all can see, I was feeling myself and feeling good as I was applying this serum. Over here jamming to some music. Y'all see the vibe. Who doesn't love Janet Jackson? Like, if you don't love Janet, it's something wrong with you, and I question your taste in music for sure. But so I'm just going to pin my hair back up. I am going to actually do my hair, and I'm sorry because I did show you guys my length of what my hair is, because there were two things that I was thinking. I was thinking that one, I would do like a length check at the end of the 2 weeks, but I wasn't able to do that because I forgot that I planned to do that, and I actually did my hair. So it was no way that I was going to mess up my curls to try to stretch them out for you guys to see. And then also, that really wasn't my focus. I didn't really care. Obviously, I'm only applying it in particular areas of my head. So I knew that that just didn't make any sense. But I still left this in the video to just show y'all my inches. Okay, so now it's time to fast forward. 2 weeks later. 2 weeks later, and to me, I honestly can notice a little bit of a difference. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think, but I can see some new hair that looks like it's growing, and some baby hairs that have come in, and I'm excited. So let's actually see if in 2 weeks was I able to grow new hair. And look, y'all, I was shocked. And when I say shocked, I was shocked. I could not believe I actually did it. Like, these are new hair follicles. Like, you didn't see that in the first clip. Like, I have little tiny hairs all over my freaking head, right? I was so freaking happy. Then I had a little bit of, I don't know what that is, sebum buildup. I was like, ooh, what is that? It looks a little nasty. Okay, time to check out the other side. And for this side, I will say that it was kind of meh. I don't feel like I saw as many new like strands like popping up. I mean, I saw a few, but I definitely noticed more on the other side of my head. Overall, though, I'm really blown away. I knew Canvas Beauty serum worked for me, and I know a lot of people like doubted it, like, or thought that, you know, like it's gimmicky and it doesn't work, or you're getting paid to say this. Like, I'm not on their payroll. I make YouTube videos because I like making them, and I don't get paid that much off of the videos. So speaking of, if you want to support my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and also make sure you go ahead and hit the like button and leave a comment. To be honest with you all, I am absolutely impressed. Like, the formula is so much better as far as the scent. It's not as sticky and tacky. It was super thick. Like, overall, it was just a better experience, and I definitely think that this is now my new favorite serum from Canvas. Great improvements, and obviously my hair loves it because my hair is growing. But you guys see the proof. Let me know in the comments what you think, and that's all I got. As always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one.